Okay, I'm not very good at explaining things, but here is a sort of tutorial for fox vocals. So, for the giggle, which is my personal favorite because I always start with it, but it's more of like a high-pitched, like, noise that foxes make when they're happy or playing or comfortable or whatever. But what I do is I sort of like have my mouth in a smile, and then I like hold on, and then I like use the voice, like use the like the noise that the noise comes through my nose, like the bridge of my nose compared to like my throat or chest or any of that. And then it's sort of just like a constant like and then another thing that just makes it more realistic is like changing the sorry, I'm bad with words, but changing the tone of it, or the key. So like and then there's also sort of like a breathy aspect to it, especially at the end, in order to make it sound like more, you know, like fox-like, because yeah. And like there's also like that sort of like almost rasp to it, like and then also just like it does take practice. I've been practicing for a few months and I'm still not great at it, but like you gotta sound desperate in a way, because foxes sound desperate when they play. And so in the end it should sound something like this. So yeah, that's the giggles. And then for the bark, which I'm not very good at yet, but it does take practice. Like, vocals just do take practice. But this one is sort of the opposite of the giggle. This one comes from, like, the chest, especially if you want it to be louder. And the first step, I would say, is, like, doing that with your mouth, because that just makes the sound come out more, like, more natural. Like, I don't know if you can see it well, but that sort of thing. And then you sort of just push air out through your chest, and it is supposed to be high-pitched like that. But foxes also do have like a raspy sort of bark, which again, I'm not great at yet, but there's a specific thing you can do, like feel it right here, in order to make it more of that like sort of raspy tone. So yeah, I don't really know how to describe that, but it should end up being something like and yeah, that is my tutorial for 2 fox noises for vocals. Thank you for watching, and good luck!